Dan and Kristen, a very big win for Foster this afternoon. The 49ers have just released a statement saying that he'll have the opportunity to rejoin the team tomorrow, but he's not in the clear just yet. After months of uncertainty, 49ers linebacker Reuben Foster walked out of court today breathing a sigh of relief. A judge in Santa Clara County dismissing the domestic violence charges that were brought against him earlier this year, citing insufficient evidence. Legal analyst Stephen Clark was in court for the decision.
The judge wanted to make that statement. This wasn't just because Ms. Ennis recanted, it was because her story never made sense in the first place.
This after his ex-girlfriend Alyssa Ennis initially told authorities that he had dragged her, punched her 8 to 10 times in the head, and locked her out of his Los Gatos home in mid-February. Turns out Ennis made the story up as part of an extortion plot to get back at Foster for breaking up with her. Ennis took to the stand last week as part of a preliminary hearing against the advice of her own attorney. She cried several times during her 2-hour testimony and blamed her previous injuries on a fight she had with 2 women in San Francisco following a road rage incident. She also admitted to falsely accusing another ex-boyfriend of domestic violence back in 2011 when that man tried to end their relationship. Clark says the judge's ruling was based on the totality of the case.
Based on what Ms. Ennis said and the other forensic evidence that was available to the court, there was not enough evidence, and it was not consistent with what her initial statements were.
Foster still faces an assault weapon possession charge in connection to a rifle that was found the morning police responded to his home, but that charge has been reduced to a misdemeanor. Foster returns to court on June 6.